Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a popular micro-investing app called Acorns. You've probably seen their ads everywhere: invest your spare change, grow your wealth. But is it all hype? Is Acorns truly worth it for beginners, or is it just another shiny app that promises more than it delivers? We're going to break down the good, the bad, and the ugly of Acorns, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether or not it's the right investment tool for you. So, what exactly is Acorns? At its core, it's an app that automates investing. You link your bank account or debit card, and Acorns rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.75, Acorns will invest the extra 25 cents. They also offer a feature called Found Money, where you can earn rewards from partner retailers by shopping through the Acorns app. These rewards are then automatically invested. Acorns offers a variety of investment portfolios, ranging from conservative to aggressive, based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. These portfolios are typically comprised of ETFs, exchange-traded funds, which are baskets of stocks and bonds. Now, let's talk about the pros. Acorns makes investing incredibly easy and accessible. No need to worry about picking individual stocks or bonds. The app handles all the portfolio management for you. It's perfect for beginners who are intimidated by the stock market or simply don't have the time or expertise to manage their own investments. The Roundup feature is a fantastic way to automate savings and investing without even noticing it. It's like painless saving. You're investing small amounts consistently, which can add up significantly over time thanks to the power of compound interest. The Found Money feature is a nice bonus, providing you with extra incentives to shop through the app. Of course, there are some downsides to consider. The fees can be a bit of a turn-off. Acorns has a few different fee structures, but they generally range from $1 to $5 per month depending on your account balance. These fees can eat into your returns, especially if you're investing small amounts. The investment portfolios offered by Acorns may not be the most tax-efficient or the lowest-cost options available. You might be able to achieve similar or better results with other investment platforms that offer lower expense ratios. While Acorns is great for automating small investments, it might not be the best solution for larger investment goals. If you're looking to invest significant sums of money, you might be better off with a traditional brokerage account that offers more flexibility and potentially lower fees. Let's address some common concerns. Many people worry about the safety of their investments with Acorns. Rest assured, your investments are held in brokerage accounts that are protected by the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, SIPC. Some people also wonder if Acorns is a get-rich-quick scheme. It's important to remember that investing takes time and patience. While Acorns can help you build wealth over the long term, it's not a magic bullet for instant riches. Acorns isn't the only micro-investing app out there. Some popular alternatives include Stash and Robinhood. These apps offer similar features to Acorns, such as automated investing and fractional shares, but with different fee structures and investment options. It's worth comparing these apps to see which one best suits your individual needs and investment goals. If you decide to give Acorns a try, here are a few tips to maximize your returns. Contribute regularly. Even small contributions can add up significantly over time. Take advantage of Found Money. Shop through the Acorns app whenever possible to earn extra rewards. Consider upgrading your account. If you're a serious investor, upgrading to a higher tier account with lower fees might be worthwhile. Rebalance your portfolio regularly. Review your investment allocation periodically and make adjustments as needed. So, is Acorns worth it for beginners? The answer is, it depends. Acorns is a fantastic tool for automating your investments and building good saving habits. It's easy to use, beginner-friendly, and can help you get started on your investment journey without a lot of hassle. However, it's important to be aware of the fees and limitations of the platform. If you're looking for the absolute lowest cost options or have specific investment goals, you might want to explore other alternatives. Ultimately, the best way to decide if Acorns is right for you is to try it out and see how it fits into your overall financial plan. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.